All right, everyone, welcome back to another electrifying episode. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us grapple with but often shy away from: speaking English fluently. The apprehension of making mistakes can really pull us back. Much like being at a vibrant party where you're too scared to speak up because you fear stumbling over your words. Trust me, everyone has experienced that feeling before, right? So if you're feeling shy, relax. You're definitely in good company.
Yeah, that totally makes sense. It's like when you're at a fun gathering and you just cling to your drink while everyone else is animatedly chatting away, right?
Exactly. Or picture it like learning to ride a bike. Initially, you may wobble and fall here and there, but with consistent practice, it becomes second nature. So, mastering a language is quite similar. We need to immerse ourselves in speaking every day, even if it's just for a couple of minutes.
Right, but what happens if you keep making mistakes? Isn't that, super discouraging?
That's an excellent question. But here's the kicker. Making mistakes is actually an essential part of the learning process. Think of it as a sculptor chiseling away at a block of marble. Each mistake represents just another chip getting closer to that masterpiece.
Okay, so instead of being terrified of mistakes, I should, embrace them like a warm hug?
Exactly. It's all about shifting your mindset. Imagine each time you stumble over a word as a step forward in your fluency journey. The more you practice, the more confidence you build. It's like exercising. Every representative matters, even if it's not perfect right out of the gate.
Oh, wow, that's a cool analogy. So, what are some actual ways to practice? Can I, just talk to myself in the mirror as if I'm presenting an award or something?
Absolutely. Talking to yourself in the mirror is a fantastic tool for practice. You can even act as if you're having a vibrant conversation with a friend. Or even better, look for a language partner or a group to practice with. Think of it as having a workout buddy for language.
But what if I don't really have anyone to practice with? That sounds kinda daunting.
Not to worry. There are countless online platforms and communities where you can find practice partners. It's like connecting with fellow superhero enthusiasts. Once you find your tribe, you'll have a squad to geek out with.
Haha, so it's basically like assembling my own language.
Avengers! That's fantastic! What about pronunciation? I feel like that's, super intimidating too.
Oh, pronunciation can definitely be tricky. But it mirrors the process of learning how to sing. You start by mimicking, right? So, listen to native speakers, repeat what you hear, and you'll notice improvements over time. And keep in mind, even the most talented singers didn't start off as perfect.
Wow, this is so enlightening. So if I keep practicing, even with my blunders, I can, eventually sound fluent? Laughs.
Absolutely. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Each mistake is just another stepping stone on your path to fluency. You'll be amazed at how quickly you improve.
Oh man, I'm definitely feeling more pumped about this now. It's like I'm about to embark on this epic adventure to become a language ninja. Laughs.
That's the energy. Embrace this journey. It's an adventure. We all start as novices, but with determination and passion, you'll reach your goals. So let's set sail on this language journey together.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see how far I can go. Can I bring snacks for the journey? Laughs.
Snacks are always encouraged. It's like fueling your body while nurturing your mind. Let's make this experience enjoyable and fulfilling.
Yes, I'm all in for this. Let's do this, Language Ninjas Unite.